Hi everyone, welcome back to Nail of the Week, my third winter Christmas look. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome. Great to see you and great to be back doing my third winter/Christmas look. These nails are much more Christmassy since we are so close to Christmas now, and I have taken all the stiletto nails off and went with a very short look. Since a lot of you out there like the short nails, but you wonder how much art you can truly have, well, even on short nails, you can have a lot of art. Check out these adorable nails. Aren't these cute? I am loving them. They are just absolutely adorable and fun. And I've got a lot of art going on here. The thumbs are just plain too, but oh my gosh, I love them. They are so pretty. And some of you have a natural nail this length, don't want to wear acrylic and everything. Well, guess what? You can wear your own nails and do lots of art still. And I'm sure you've seen lots of videos with short nails, but I myself wanted to show you how I work on short nails as well. There will be a toe design as always to match this and a super cute outfit of the day. Can't wait for you guys to see. Let's get started on this design. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next upload. Hello everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's nail design, my third winter/Christmas look. If you'd like to see how I did this on these cute short nails, stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to Nail of the Week and my third winter/Christmas look. And you see we're getting more Christmassy now with this beautiful red. And yep, my nails are nice and short from those long stiletto nails. I just want to show you ladies and young girls that you can also do art on a short nail. That's why I'm going with a short look this time. Just wanted something different. I always like to change that up to show you guys different looks, and that art can still be done even on a short nail. So let me show you what I'm using here. I've got this beautiful red over all the nails except for my pointers. I've done them as an accent, as a French look. Let me show you. That one there is the Hanson Insta Dry, and it is called Rapid Red 280. And then for the French one here, for that pink, I've used this Essie's, and that one is High Maintenance. I do got a little bit of red on my fingers there. I'll get it cleaned off. Okay, then I'll be working with acrylic paints. I'm going to be working with white and black. And then, of course, I started doing my series for the Christmas looks with glitters, the micro glitter. I'm going to be using it again in this one. I'm going to use it in all of the designs I'm doing for the Christmas looks. So I need this beautiful micro red that I'm going to use on the nails, basically over the whole nail, except for obviously my accent. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of silver because I'm doing a Santa jacket or his coat on one of the nails, and I'll need the silver, also the black to do that. And then after I'm done, I'm going to be putting on a couple snowflakes on this accent nail. I'll be adding in a red crystal, one of the 6SS off of this wheel. It's very tiny. Whoops, got a little bit of stuff on there. Okay, and then when I'm all done, I will dry everything up with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat right there. So I'm going to get started on some of these, and I will return to show you what I am doing. All right, so now you see that I have got the fluff going and part of Santa's suit on this middle finger here, and the accent finger looking kind of like a Santa hat. Let me show you how I'm doing that. I did get the thumbs done too. So I am working with Robin Moses's brush, her, what's it called? Her wand right there. Love this brush. And I'm going to dip in. I have made, she recommends that this is the way you do it when you're doing like a fluff, if you want it to look 3D. You do a white, add a little bit of black into it, make it a gray first, and then we're going to go in with stark white after it dries. So I'm going to dip into this mixture that I've made, and we're going to make just a fluff here. Just zigzag along like that with that gray mixture, and then just fill it all in around the edges and the tip and everything. Fill it all in with that gray light color. Because when you go over it with stark white then, and I've watched her do so many designs, it really makes it like pop and it looks 3D like. So we'll go like that. Then for Santa's suit, we're just gonna go down the center here. I get a bunch of stuff on here. Not a bunch, but I mean kind of a glob here. And then just kind of swirl and go down the center of the nail. Okay? Because you want this to look like his suit. So just kind of, doesn't have to be perfect, but just trying to make it look like the front of his suit. And then at the bottom, that would be the bottom of his jacket. Same thing, just kind of zigzag along. This doesn't have to be perfect. You want it to be like that so it looks like his jacket. And then of course tip the end. Okay, and then on the accent nail, just again, just kind of swirling around like this just to make the fluff like. This is kind of like the hat. Okay, make the fluff like that. All right, now we are going to let this dry up. Let me set this down here. Let this dry up and then we will go on to the next step. Okay, now I have got the white in there, and as you see like on that Santa suit, how it gives it a 3D look. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna grab the brush and we're going with just straight white. Man, I'm making a mess here all over everything. So let me draw in here. So I'm nice and close for you. We're just gonna take complete white and we are going to just kind of put it around like this. You don't want to fill it right into the whole thing. You want to leave some of that gray showing. That's what gives it that 3D look. Like that. Then down Santa's suit. I'm going to do the same thing here. Just kind of going around. Do not fill all the edges. Like I said, let some of that gray show so you get that 3D look. And you'll see at the end photos, it's going to show it way better. Same thing going into your accent nail, your fluff. Like that. I got to clean off that little white there. But that's what you do right there. Now you've got the white fluff look going. I'm going to let this dry up and we'll go on to the next step. Let me draw away here. Yeah, so we'll let it dry up. I'll be returning in just a few moments. Okay, so now I have got Santa's belt on and a snowflake on my accent nail. Isn't that cute? So let me show you how I'm doing that. We're gonna draw in here and we're gonna start with the white to do the snowflake. So I'm just going to go up. Now I want to go up higher up into here. So a snowflake is an X. You start with an X, and then you want to put a line through the center. So first you go like this and make an X, and then go through the center because a snowflake has 6 sides. So you want to go like that. Then this one here, I am going to put some dots above it like this on each one like that. Snowflakes can be done however you want. What's fun is when they're hand painted, you just do them however you want. So that's always fun, just putting the little dots around like that. And then I'm going to just add a few dots into this part here, like that, just to add a little bit more snow to it like that. Okay, then the Santa's belt, actually I want to put I'm going to do a couple lines on this one too. So let's just go across with a couple lines like that. I don't have enough paint out. Okay, let's just go like that and add a couple lines just to really make this look more like a snowflake. Real quick like that, no big deal. Just adding a few lines to it like that. Okay, that looks better. Really wanted that to look more like a snowflake. Okay, then the black, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna get straight black and just go across to make his belt and make it a little bit wider and just make a straight line across to make his belt. This one is more of just a fun, cute design. Definitely Christmassy because we got the Santa going. So let me turn this around here just so I can make it a little straighter. A little bit wider and a little straighter there. Okay. But I'm showing that you can do art even on short nails and it can be just as cute. So there we go. There is his buckle, and there are my snowflakes on my accent nail. So now I am going to let this dry up, and then I will go on to the buckle, and we'll start adding in the glitter and stuff. Okay, now I have got the glitter going. You see that? Isn't that pretty? I'm going to leave Santa's suit alone as far as the glitter, but I've got the belt on it. Isn't that cute? So I'll show you how I'm doing that. So we're just gonna go right into the glitter. And the glitter, I've showed you before how I make it. It's just clear and the glitter, got them made right there. So I'm just gonna finish up with my red here. And I'm just kind of sporadically putting it in. Let me draw in here for you guys. Just kind of going in here just like this, just kind of rubbing some red into there, some red glitter over the glitter itself, just into the red part like that. And then we're gonna put a little bit into just some spots into here, just kind of sprinkling this one, just some spots because I didn't want to cover up the snowflake or anything. So just put a little bit in there. And I've already got the thumb done. You see that? Okay. And now we are going to do the belt. So I'm going to dip into the silver to do the belt. Making sure I don't got any red on here. Just the silver. And then we're going to go and do the belt. And we're just doing a square. So I'm just going to go like a box. Just go down one way like that. And then we're going to go across like this. Just making the buckle pretty simple, and then go down, nice big buckle there for Santa Claus, and then across there. And then you can just go back through it and, you know, then get it more opaque and everything. Then you've got your, you know, actual outlines to do it. And then I just kind of go back through it and make it nicer like that. So there is the buckle, there is the sparkle. I am going to let this dry up, and then we're going to add in some sparkle into the snow as well, and our crystals. I will return. All right, now we've got the snow glistening. I hope you can see that. Maybe if I get up close here, you can see. I don't know why you're not seeing this glisten, but I do got that glistening. You'll see the photos at the end. But what I'm going to do is I'm using this one here, the Pure Ice, and it is called... let's see, it's covered up here. Pure Ice Nail Polish. Oh, it doesn't have a name on it. Just number 543 is the number. So I'm just going to dip in here and just paint. Let me draw in here closer. And I'm just going to be painting that where the white is. Just going over the white and making that snow really glisten and pretty like that. I really wish you could see this. I don't get why you're not seeing this. But you'll see photos, like I said. I'm also going to go into my snowflake here and just add some across like that. And I've already got the thumbs done. So that's that. And I have no idea why you're not seeing this. This is crazy. This is so weird. I don't know why you're not seeing. Oh, there you see the sparkle. Okay, there we go. That's pretty. Okay, so we're going to let this dry up now. We're going to get our rhinestones in the snowflakes, and I will return to show you one of those. Okay, I'm back, and I forgot to show you the stone part, the camera cut out or something, but I just put a little bit of super glue into the center of the snowflake, and then I put in the rhinestone, that little red one. Isn't that cute? So now I'm going to top coat everything, and I will return to show you the end product. Alrighty, I am all done, and aren't these just darling? Just proves that even on a set of short nails, you can have art. I love the way these turned out, and they are very Christmassy. Can't get more Christmassy than red and Santa Claus. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Hope you will give it a try, and I can't wait to show you the toe and outfit of the day to match this. Everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video.